Hey everyone, welcome back to English Me. Today, we're going to learn 50 important phrasal verbs that will help you sound more natural in English. Phrasal verbs are a key part of everyday conversations, and knowing them will improve your fluency and confidence. So, let's get started. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. He woke up late because he forgot to set the alarm. Get up. Get up. Get up. I usually get up right after my alarm rings. She didn't want to get up because it was too cold. Turn on. Turn on. Turn on. Can you turn on the lights? It's too dark here. He turned on the TV to watch the news. Turn off. Turn off. Turn off. Please turn off the fan before leaving. She turned off her phone to avoid distractions. Put on. Put on. Put on. I put on my jacket before going outside. She put on some makeup before the party. Take off. Take off. Take off. He took off his shoes before entering the house. The plane took off on time. Run out of. Run out of. Run out of. We ran out of milk, so I need to buy more. She ran out of battery while talking on the phone. Go out. Go out. Go out. They go out every weekend to have fun. I don't feel like going out tonight. Come back. Come back. Come back. I will come back home after work. She came back from her vacation yesterday. Give up. Give up. Give up. Never give up on your dreams. He gave up smoking last year. Look up. Look up. Look up. I need to look up the meaning of this word. She looked up the restaurant's address online. Hand in. Hand in. Hand in. Please hand in your assignments by Friday. He handed in his resignation to the manager. Catch up. Catch up. Catch up. I need to catch up on my work after being sick. She caught up with her old friends at the reunion. Figure out. Figure out. Figure out. I finally figured out how to solve this math problem. He couldn't figure out why his phone wasn't working. Write down. Write down. Write down. I always write down important information in my notebook. He wrote down her phone number quickly. Work on. Work on. Work on. I am working on a new project at my job. She is working on improving her English skills. Go over. Go over. Go over. Let's go over the report before submitting it. He went over his notes before the exam. Speak up. Speak up. Speak up. Please speak up. I can't hear you. She spoke up during the meeting to share her ideas. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. I will pick you up at 7 p.m. He picked up the book from the floor. Drop off. Drop off. Drop off. Can you drop me off at the airport? She dropped off the package at the post office. Put off. Put off. Put off. They put off the meeting until next week. I always put off doing my homework. Call off. Call off. Call off. They called off the football match due to rain. The manager called off the meeting unexpectedly. Breakdown. 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 My car broke down on the highway. She broke down in tears after hearing the bad news. Carry on. Carry on. Carry on. Please carry on with your work. Despite the difficulties, they carried on with their journey. Check out. Check out. Check out. We checked out of the hotel early in the morning. You should check out that new cafe in town. Come across. Come across. Come across. I came across an interesting article online. She came across her old diary while cleaning the room. Get along. Get along. Get along. I get along well with my colleagues. They don't get along with each other. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Please hold on for a moment. Hold on to the railing while going down the stairs. Keep up. Keep up. Keep up. It's hard to keep up with new technology. She walks so fast that I can't keep up with her. Let down. Let down. Let down. I don't want to let you down. He felt let down when his friends canceled the trip. Look after. Look after. Look after. She looks after her younger brother. Can you look after my cat while I'm away? Look forward to. Look forward to. Look forward to. I look forward to meeting you. She is looking forward to her vacation. Pass away. Pass away. Pass away. His grandfather passed away last year. She was sad when she heard that her old teacher had passed away. Set up. Set up. Set up. They set up a new business. We need to set up the conference room before the meeting. Show up. Show up. Show up. He showed up late to the party. We waited for an hour, but she never showed up. Sort out. Sort out. Sort out. I need to sort out my schedule. They sorted out their issues and became friends again. Take after. Take after. Take after. She takes after her mother in personality. He takes after his father in appearance. Take over. Take over. Take over. The new manager took over the company last month. He decided to take over the family business. Try on. Try on. Try on. She tried on a beautiful dress at the store. He tried on a new pair of shoes. Turn down. Turn down. Turn down. She turned down the job offer. He turned down my invitation to the party. Work out. Work out. Work out. I work out at the gym every morning. We need to work out a solution to this problem. Run into. run into, run into. I ran into an old friend yesterday. She ran into trouble while traveling. Fill out, fill out, fill out. Please fill out this form before the appointment. He filled out the job application. Give in, give in, give in. After hours of arguing, he finally gave in. The teacher didn't give in to the students' demands. Get rid of, get rid of, get rid of. I need to get rid of my old clothes. She got rid of the broken chair. Go through, go through, go through. He went through a difficult time. She went through all the documents carefully. Hold back, hold back, hold back. He held back his anger during the argument. She couldn't hold back her tears. Back up, back up, back up. I always back up my important files. His family backed him up in his decision. Break up, break up, break up. They broke up after 5 years of dating. The meeting broke up at noon. Count on, count on, count on. You can count on me for help. She counts on her brother for advice. That's it for today. I hope you found these 50 phrasal verbs useful and that they help you improve your English fluency. Don't forget to practice them daily and try using them in your conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing English learning videos. See you in the next lesson.